All right, today's date is January 13th, 2022. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 29416 in the interest of the Bolton children. What says the state?
The state is ready.
Present by telephone is Crystal Charmaine Bolton. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Bolton?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court's file reflects that David Irwin Bolton Jr. was served with notice of these proceedings back on October 7th of 2021. This case was set for 9:30 today, and it's now approximately 9:50, and he's not made any appearance. You may call your first witness.
Your Honor, the state calls the mother Crystal Charmaine Bolton, but I believe, I have an agreement to announce into the record.
All right.
Okay?
All right. I didn't realize that. You may go ahead and make your announcement. If you'll listen carefully, Ms. Bolton.
Okay.
Your Honor, before I begin, the state requested our investigative report, which contains Mr. Bolton's income information, be marked as State's Exhibit 1 and entered into evidence.
Admitted as State's number 1.
Okay. I believe the agreement is the following, that the parties be appointed joint managing conservators, with Ms. Bolton having the right to determine the children's primary residence, that the standard possession order be entered for persons living less than 50 miles apart, because both Mr. Bolton and Ms. Bolton live in the same city. The children on our government health plan, the state is requesting that Mr. Bolton be ordered to pay $100 a month for that beginning the 1st of February of 2022. Child support based on State's Exhibit 1 for 5 children would be $911, but Ms. Bolton states that she wants to agree to $500 a month with no step down for all 5 children because Mr. Bolton's still paying on a mortgage on their house and she doesn't want to burden him with such a high child support amount. That is also, so to begin the 1st of February 2022, there will be a retroactive child support judgment from November of 2019 to today's date, and I calculated it based on the minimum wage presumption for 5 children of $11,102, paid by Mr. Bolton at $75 a month beginning the 1st of February of 2022. The state requests that Mr. Bolton be ordered to pay court costs as billed by the Wilbarger County District Clerk no later than the 1st of February 2023. The state is not requesting any attorney's fees. And I believe that's the agreement.
Ms. Bolton, did you hear Ms. Ware make that announcement?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
And is that what you're in agreement with today?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
How much does Mr. Bolton pay on your mortgage?
I think it's like 700 and something. I'm not quite sure. That's what it was when last time I talked to him about it.
Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know that didn't come up through the question and answer?
No, ma'am.
All right. Based on the testimony or on the evidence before me, then I'm granting the relief that's been requested. I'm appointing these parties as joint managing conservators of the children with Ms. Bolton to determine where the children live as their primary residence. And I'm granting the state's request for child support at $500 per month, as well as the retroactive support and the medical support. If there are any bills for the children not covered by Medicaid, each party will pay half. Is there any other relief I need to address?
No, ma'am.
I don't believe so, Your Honor, except for the court costs. I don't remember if you mentioned that.
I'm granting, you testified or made a request regarding the court cost, and I'm granting that as well.
Okay.
Bolton, are you and Mr. Bolton legally married?
Yes.
if you do decide at some point to get a divorce, be sure to tell the lawyer that may help you that there is an existing order for child support in Wilbarger County. If they know about it, they can work around it and it'll be simplified. But if they don't know about it, it can get kind of messy, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ware's going to prepare that order for my signature. I will sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody, you or Mr. Bolton, can request a new hearing. One of you does that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd, and he would start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy in the mail or by email within the next 2 weeks. If you don't get one, call the Wichita Falls AG's office and remind them to send you one, okay?
Miss Bolton, before you hang up, can you tell me where Nakia was born, like the city?
Nakia, she's
Yeah.
born in Wichita Falls, Texas.
Okay, let me see if we're missing any other information. How about Kalia?
Wichita Falls, Texas.
Okay, and how about Daryl?
Wichita Falls, Texas.
Okay. All right, thanks. That's all I need.
All right, Ms. Bolton, we're done for today. Good luck to you and your family. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.